The old building is church, and then let's continue, Beate Mariae Regini Sinilabe Concepti. It means Michaelic Concession and Virgin Mary Church. The name of this church is Michaelic Concession and Virgin Mary Church. Okay? Do you understand my English?
Yes.
Yes, let's continue now. And then here you see Nicolas de Aguala, his family. The work is they are merchants people. Merchants. No? They are merchants. Why they put it here like this? Because these people are the benefactors for the church. Benefactors for the church. They pay money 640. How much? 640. They pay money 640 just to pay money for this church. They are benefactors for this church. And this language is Armenian language.
Armenia.
Armenian language. I forgot one thing. And you told me which year means it.
Yes, sir.
MDCCL. Do you know? M mean 1,000. N mean 1,000. D mean 500. Plus CC mean 100 plus L mean 50. This church built in, look, 1750. 1750. Who sent? Pope Benedict XIV sent to Burma 3 priests and 1 brother for mission. Okay? 1 priest and 1 brother stay here to build this church. Priest's name is Paulo Nereni and brother name is Angelo, daughter Angelo. So, and then after finished the building, second, the Alaungpaya soldier killed priest outside of the church with spear, and they cut his head and took to Middle Burma, the same with the Portuguese people. And just usually the same they took to Middle Burma. Alaungpaya soldiers, they cut his head, priest's head, outside of the church and took, and also the people also they took. Those who don't want to follow, they kill here as a slave. As a slave. We call it Middle Burma. And then let's continue now. Let's continue. And this Armenian language. Armenian language means this respond. No? And then let's you see here look. This is mean this sign is the death sign. This is death sign. The sign is death sign. The sign is sand clock. Sand clock. S-A-N-D, sand. Sand clock. Sand clock means we don't know the date, we don't know the year, we don't know the minutes. Who knows? God alone knows. This means God alone knows. And then let's continue. And this Portuguese. We are coming. This language is Portuguese language. Hey, look, very good, no? The reading is no. No? Maredes and Antonio Fernandez. These 2 people are family, husband and wife. No? And Maria Diaz died in 1732. What they did? They are Catholics who preach like they preach gospel, no? Who teaches us the gospel, the words of God, gospel. I hope you may understand my English.
Yes. I understood.
They put it is just that you remember. Right?
Okay.
This tomb is just only to remember memorial.
Yeah.
To keep like this. Not our Catholic have no to put people inside the church to bury. Only priest and bishop.
Yes, correct.
Only priest and bishop. Except we have the special, outside of the church, there is we have the, cemetery. And then we have the cemetery.
Also fine here.
cemetery all disappear.
Oh, I
Now,
see.
as you know, the government
Army.
depend on government.
Yeah.
If government good, good. If government is not smooth, no smooth. Those days is every kings, every place we cannot say like this. Now we have to, whenever we speak, we have to take care of. Otherwise, we will a lot of things and see. So the 3 priests and 1 brother sent from Rome. From Rome. Who? Pope Benedict sent. 1741. 1741. Church built in 1750. 9 years later.
Yeah.
Because the weather is not smooth, mean education. No? Now we are in Burma, as you see, so many kings in Burma. In Thanlyin also 1 king, in Rangoon also 1, Peak also 1 king, so many kings in Burma. You know, see, because this church is why you see roof, or this is because of bomb, Second World Bomb.
I see.
Second World Bomb. British, 3 a.m. pilot, born up, roof all disappeared. No? And also you see, there's the main entrance this side. Main entrance. You can see this, you can see the ring above. And there's a cross, all disappeared. There's the main entrance. How long you know? 81 feet long. Distance. Church distance. 81 feet. 81 feet long, and height is 40. 40. The distance is 31 feet long. 81, 40. Built by Paulo Nirni.
Feet or
Feet.
Feet. 81 feet, 31 feet, 40 feet height is. See, you see, there is the place is, this is the priest house is there because of outside of the church.
Okay.
Priest house. What this will be because of bomb. Now, this place is the altar. Altar means priest to say mass. At this side. Yes, this place is, you know.
Okay.
Outside is the sacristy. Sacristy means you change clothes, castle. Priest of the church. Yes, outside of the church, there is the church. This place, other place. Then outside of the church, there is the sacristy place. No? This place is the priest house is there. Turner. Turner means these people. Just I told you these people, Armenian people, which translate ideas ships. They came with ships.
Okay.
That they brought some goods from the country to Burma, to Thanlyin.
Okay.
Now, they took back ferry, being corn to another country. Those days. So, they are benefactors. These people, these families are benefactors to build the church. No? Build the church. They pay money. And this figure is the catechist. And they teaches about word of God. No? You can say like this now. These people, they died in 1732 because the church built in 1750. Early then church. I think before this church, this is the bamboo church or
Bamboo
or
church.
big church, no?
Yeah.
Those days means Filipe de Brito.
Yeah.
Filipe de Brito Singapore. First people, Burmese people is the national. He is Catholic.
National.
Yes. He is first Catholic in Burma. He is first Catholic. His name is John Robert National.
One more time.
King.
John
Robert
National.
National. Burmese King,
Taungoo King.
Yes, Taungoo King. He is very friendly with Filipe de Brito.
Filipe
de Brito.
Filipe de
Brito. Portuguese. Yes, that's why they call it the Portuguese church, Portuguese like this.
I see.
He's a 17th century. They died in 16th century. So he's early. Now he and his friends with John Robert National.
Uh-huh.
He is dying in, how to say, at the nearly bridge.
Nearly bridge.
Yes, yes.
Now you build the road, right?
Yes, yes. There
I-
you can see there is the nearly bridge.
Have a point or not?
Knee point, there is a knee point, there is a five, how to say, I don't know English, how to say, it's a knee point.
Okay, you can go to
No, now full of houses, full
Oh.
of church, Buddhist monks cannot,
Okay, I see.
those days cannot see like it. So, the same day, like cross, he died like this, up to nearly head.
Huh?
With, yes.
From the bottom,
Yes, bottom, yes. Bamboo.
bamboo.
Yes. All
Which-
bamboo.
From the bottom to the head.
The head, yeah. And also like the Christ, Jesus Christ, they died.
Oh, one day he,
Two people.
two people
One people is John Robert National. One is Filipe de Brito.
together.
Together. Evening, morning only. Morning session, evening session. Morning is Filipe de Brito. Evening is John Robert National. They stay 3 days, they die.
3 days.
Yeah, they live like Jesus Christ on the cross.
Jesus, yeah.
Like cross, no? And then afterward they died. And one preacher said, mostly people told me this cemetery is, this tomb is Filipe de Brito tomb. Most, yes, no, not really.
Ah, I see.
Because they came early. That's why 16th century. This is 17th century.
Yes, 100 years.
See, so Filipe de Brito is first. That's why they call the church is Filipe de Brito, meaning the Portuguese church. Portuguese church. The reign thing is the rear is the Pope Benedict sent 14 from Rome. Is it Italian image? Which is Italian image. Italian image. Italian architect, his church, not Portuguese,
Yep.
Italian. Before, Portuguese is early. That's why all people use only Filipe de Brito. That's why the church is called Portuguese church. The real thing is archaeology heritage is image is Italian image.
I see.
Like this. I hope you understand my English.
Okay.
Yes. No?
Okay.
Yes, just a little bit good and I explain about
Sorry,
Yes?
อากงนะแม่นะ
Joseph Paul. Yes.
Joseph
Paul.
Paul
Yes. Joseph means baptism name. Paul means confirmation name.
I see how น้ำอาแต้บะเล่า
Age. You mean?
Yes
67.
67
Yes. Oh.
look like 50
yes. We must thanks be to God. Whatever we do, we must thank to God, no?
Okay.
Otherwise we cannot do, no?
Okay
Yes. Thanks be to God.
Okay thank you thank you
I